So in this video, we will learn how to send mobile notifications for Google Forms on Android and iPhone. So basically we are going to start with a small example. So as you can see, this is a Google form that I have built and the name of the form is Blood Donation Drive Participation Form. So imagine this, a guy called as Selena Gomez, okay, not a guy, okay, a person called as Selena Gomez is filling in the form. And her blood group is O positive and this is her email. And let me just type the phone number of Selena Gomez. Okay, so this is the phone number of Selena Gomez. Let me just add this. Okay, yeah. So let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form has been submitted by a person called as Selena Gomez, and she must be getting an SMS from me that her blood can be donated at so and so hospital. So let me just show you the message that Selena Gomez has received. Okay, so this is the message. Okay, so basically your obvious question is, how did I manage to integrate Google Forms and SMS sending apps like Twilio? So basically, I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Google Forms and SMS sending apps like Twilio. Now, the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me just show you the process. So basically, in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, as I mentioned, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Google Forms and SMS sending apps like Twilio or SMS Horizon, anything like that. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Google Forms and SMS sending app like Twilio. Now before we click on create workflow, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, I have already integrated Google Forms and SMS notifying app like Twilio. Now I'm going to switch off this workflow. The reason I'm switching off this workflow is because if I don't switch off this workflow and if I manage to create a new workflow, this old workflow running in parallel to it will create the problem of duplication of result. Basically, for one form responses, we will be getting 2 SMSs. So that is kind of wrong. So that is why I have switched off this old workflow. It is actually none of your concern because we are going to start from scratch by clicking on create workflow. Okay, so how about we give a name to this workflow? So I'm going to give it as Google Forms and Twilio integration. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. It's totally up to you. Google Forms and Twilio integration. And let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So basically, we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Google Forms and Twilio. Now, if you want to clone this workflow, the link of the template is available in the description box. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Forms? Google Forms, yeah, last one. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new response in spreadsheet? Okay, so new response in spreadsheet is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new response is made in Google Forms, then what action should be taken by the system? Now there is something you can see. The trigger event, it is mentioning as new response in spreadsheet. It should be something like new response in Google Forms. Why it is showing new response in spreadsheet? So basically the gist is, when a response is created in Google Forms, that response will be automatically inserted in the associated Google Sheet. And from that Google Sheet, we will be inserting the data into Pabbly Connect. And from Pabbly Connect, we will be sending it to third-party apps like Twilio. It's actually pretty simple. So first of all, let me just take you to a newly created Google Forms. So basically this is the form, new blood donation drive participation form. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to integrate this Google form to Pabbly Connect. So let me just scroll down. So as you can see, we do have the same fields, name, blood type, email, and the phone number. So this is the last field, that is the phone number. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make sure that this field is required. So I have toggled this to the right. And after that, let me just straight away take you to responses. and let me just click on this icon. So basically it will create a Google Sheet. Okay, so let me just click on create a new spreadsheet. So basically we do have a choice that we can change the name or go with the existing spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm happy with this one, create a new spreadsheet. Let me just click on create. Okay, so our spreadsheet is being created. Okay, so this is my Google Sheet. Okay, so basically this is the Google Sheet associated with this form. It has basically the same fields, the name, the blood type, email, as well as the phone number. All the fields that is present here is being shown here. But there is one more field, that is timestamp. Timestamp basically means the time at which the response was added in Google Sheet. So we are going to integrate this Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let me just click on add-on. Go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now Pabbly Connect Webhook is an add-on that I have installed in my Google Sheet. Now in your case, since you are beginning fresh, Pabbly Connect Webhooks might not have been installed yet. So first of all, just click on Get Add-ons. Okay, so when you click on Get Add-ons, Google Workspace Marketplace opens up in front of you. So basically in the search, all you have to do is just type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhooks, this one. Okay, so as you can see, this webhook is already installed. All you have to do is just click on this button and Pabbly Connect Webhooks will be installed in your Google Sheet. Now, there is something you should know. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat this again. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. So let me just cancel this. Go back to add-ons. Clicking on Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on Initial Setup. Okay, so this is the window of initial setup. Now we have to fill two fields, the webhook URL as well as the trigger column. So basically this is how you fill the webhook URL. Let me just copy this and let me just paste it here. Okay, so when we paste the webhook URL, it is already showing it is waiting for the data. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to fill in the trigger column. Now the trigger column is always the last data entry column. So as you can see, the last data entry column is column E. So I'm going to mention the trigger column as column E. Okay, so we are pretty much done with this window. Let me just click on submit. There is something else you have to do. Go back to add-ons, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on send on event. So this will ensure that anytime column E is filled, the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So basically we have integrated this Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. And this Google Sheet will take the data automatically from this Google form. So let's fill this form. Okay, so we are going to conduct an experiment here. So let's say a guy called as Jerry Maguire is filling the form. So his blood type is AB positive. And this is the email of Jerry Maguire and this is his phone number. Okay, and let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form submission has been made by a guy called as Jerry Maguire. So let me just straight away take you to Google Sheet to check whether this details has been captured or not. Yes. So basically this is the time at which Jerry Maguire had made the entry, submitted the form. And this is the name, this is the blood type, this is the email, and then we have the phone number. So let's check, do we have the detail in Pabbly Connect or not? Yes, we do have the detail. So we have the name Jerry Maguire. The blood group is AB positive. The email is jerrymaguire123@gmail.com and this is the phone number. So basically at this phone number we will be sending the SMS notification. Now of course we have many apps to send the SMS notification like Twilio, D7 Networks, SMS Horizon. But in this case I'm just going to work with Twilio. No particular reason. Okay, just Twilio it is. So in the choose app I'm going to make it as Twilio. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send SMS message? Then let me just click on connect. So we have to fill three fields. Okay, the first field is account SID. The second field is authorization token, and again the same account SID. So to get all these details, let me just straight away take you to Twilio. So this is my Twilio account. So I'm just going to click on this setting button and I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so this is my settings page. And in the settings page, we are going to figure out our account SID authorization token. So as you can see, we have two choices here in the API credentials, the live credentials and the test credentials. We are straight away going to the live credentials. So this is my account SID. I have copied it and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so the account SID has been entered. Now we have to enter the same account SID here also. So I'm just going to paste it here. So as you can see, we have entered the account SID two times. One here and one here. Now coming to the authorization token. So this is my authorization token. Let me just remove the privacy and copy this. So this is my authorization token. Let me paste it here. Okay, so the account SID is ready, authorization token is ready, and again, once again, we have entered the account SID. Let me just click on save. So when you click on save, you will find three fields: the body of the SMS, the sender number, and the recipient number. So we will start with the sender number. So this is a number that Twilio has given me. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, copy this full, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we are ready with the sender number. Now this is your recipient number. I'm just going to click here, and I'm just going to go to the data that we have received from Google Forms. So this is the phone number. Now this is actually a bit incorrect. As you can see, it is demanding a format. That is, you enter the country code. In my case, it's +91 because Indians are following +91. So +91. Okay, I'm sorry, we should enter +91. Okay, so this is my recipient number. Now we have to manually enter the body of the SMS. So it should be something like hello. And then we are going to map in the name, Jerry Maguire. You can donate your blood. Donate your blood, AB positive blood, at this address. Red Cross Hospital at any time. Okay, so hello Jerry Maguire, you can donate your AB positive blood at this address, Red Cross Hospital, at any time. So all we have to do is just click on save and send test request to send the message. So let me do that. Okay, so it is showing the message has been sent. So let me just show you the SMS. So this is the SMS. Excellent. So the presence of this SMS shows that we have successfully integrated Google Forms and SMS sending apps like Twilio. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I have minimized the action window and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Google Forms to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Twilio. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Forms and Twilio. Excellent.